Hello, guys. Hello, treasures. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have pawpaw or papaya popsicle on the menu. Let me show you how I made this. I had one fine pawpaw in the house which was almost getting overripe. What I did was to peel, ate some, and then put some in the refrigerator or freezer. And the next day I decided to make some popsicles with it, and here we are. I have the pawpaw which is already a kind of frozen. I have milk here. I'm using a cup of milk and half cup of banana yogurt, which I just added a quarter teaspoon of vanilla essence. So all I'll do is to transfer everything into the blender and blend until smooth.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze.
For the milk, I'm using 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, which I dissolved with a cup of water. But you can use full cream milk if you have that. You can also use condensed milk or evaporated milk. I decided to add another pawpaw. That's making it 2 cups of pawpaw or papaya. Then I'll blend everything until very smooth.
Chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tunes so heavenly.
Next, I'll transfer the blended puree into my popsicle mold.
Soft piano keys like simmering stew.
The weather is already becoming very hot here now, so this will help to cool your body. And the fine and beautiful thing is that it is good for both adults and kids, so your children too will love it.
Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.
Then cover and insert the popsicle sticks.
Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice, cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon.
Then the remaining I tied in a nylon like this. If you're as old as I am, you will remember when we used to lick ice cream in a nylon like that. So the next we are going to do is to freeze this for about 5 to 8 hours or overnight. And I did this in the night. The next day, this is what we have. And so here we have our healthy, sweet popsicles made with pawpaw or papaya, whichever one you call it, made with fruits. And I'll bring you more of fruity popsicles. I hope you're going to enjoy this, and I hope you'll be making them as I share them. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.